guys, what's up? It's Bex, back with another giveaway. Yay! So, this giveaway is going to be featuring some of the items that I got in my advent calendar from PLouIse. Look at these. So these gorgeous items are going to be given away to one lucky winner. So the first one is the All You Need is a Sprinkle of Wishes. And it still has its protective film on there. Look how beautiful. The second item is the A Serving of Magical Memories. And last but not least, some beautiful lashes, a lash trio. Look how gorgeous. So the rules for this particular giveaway is that you have to be sure to subscribe to my channel, be sure to comment below on some videos of mine that you would like to see, or some videos in the past that you really liked. Let me know what you think. Then head over to my Instagram, and on the giveaway post over there, be sure to comment, be sure to follow me on Instagram, and for an extra entry into this giveaway, if you share onto your story, tag me in your post on Instagram, please tag me. So that way I know, and you have to make sure it's public, just for the time being for the giveaway so I can see the tag, and you'll get an extra entry. So now, the only sad thing is if you've won in the last 6 months one of my giveaways, you're not eligible for this one. However, of course you can participate. I would love if you participated, but just know that you're not eligible just because we want to make it fair and give everybody a chance to win. You ready for that giveaway? All links are in my bio, to include the link to go to my Instagram. Be sure to find the post that will be pinned up top for the giveaway. And good luck, guys. I'm excited.